Liv, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe for you that I actually just came up with pretty recently, but I have been making for dinners pretty much every night for like a week. It's so good, and it's perfect for any sort of like rainy night dinner because it's just really creamy and comforting and cozy. So it is a red curry almond butter stir fry, and this is really good with rice, but today we're going to be using noodles because I haven't used rice noodles in a long time on this channel and I love them. So that is everything I have to say for now. Let's get into the recipe.
You're going to start by placing your rice noodles in a bowl and covering them with some hot water and just letting them soak for about 10 minutes. I just like to set a timer on my phone so I don't forget about them. And then after the 10 minutes, you can just drain them and set them aside. In the meantime, you can chop up your vegetables. I love doing red bell peppers, bok choy, some fresh kale, and I also really love using king oyster mushrooms. And what I do with these is I use a fork to kind of shred them, and this kind of makes them almost like a shredded chicken consistency. I think it looks like chicken anyway, and I just like to do this to add a little bit of kind of like chewiness and texture to the noodles. If you don't like mushrooms, you can totally skip this. And then you can add your vegetables to a frying pan with some oil and cook them. I like to do the vegetables that take the longest to cook first, and then I add in stuff like greens closer to the end so that they don't get soggy. Then you can make the sauce. So the sauce is a mixture of almond butter, soy sauce, maple syrup, some lime juice, sriracha, and red curry paste. I never really thought of putting red curry and almond butter together, but it works so well together, and it's just a really nice creamy and spicy combination. So you just want to stir all that together until it makes a nice thick sauce. And once the vegetables are almost done cooking, just add in the noodles and give that a good stir. And then you can add in the sauce as well as the non-dairy milk and stir that until everything is coated. And then you just want to give it a minute until the sauce is nice and thick and everything's nice and hot. And then you can serve it. I love to serve it with sometimes a bit of extra sauce, sometimes some sesame seeds, or just a squeeze of lime. It's also really good with some bean sprouts. So you can totally dress it up however you like. But yeah, it's super easy, and that is it.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this recipe. It is just so good and I'm obsessed with it. It's like my new favorite dinner because you can swap out the veggies, you can do like noodles or rice, and it just tastes amazing. So if you guys try it out, make sure to let me know how it goes on Instagram, or you can leave a review on the recipe on my blog. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!